Assalamu alaikum and welcome to our Arabic class. In this lesson, we will learn how to read the Arabic consonants together with their vowels. The first one here we have ba, ba, ba. So we have the vowel fatha with it. So we say ba fatha ba. Again, ba fatha ba. Again, ba fatha ba. So this gives the pronunciation ba, ba, ba. So here we have ta and we have fatha. So we say ta fatha ta, ta fatha ta, ta fatha ta. So we have ta as our pronunciation. Ta, ta. Here we have tha together with the vowel fatha. So we say tha fatha tha, tha fatha tha, tha fatha tha. So we say tha, tha, tha. And here we have jim together with fatha. So we say jim fatha ja, jim fatha ja, jim fatha ja. So we have ja, ja, ja. Here we have ha and fatha. So we say ha fatha ha, ha fatha ha, ha fatha ha. So we say ha, ha, ha. Here we have ha with fatha. So we say ha fatha ha, ha fatha ha, ha fatha ha. So we say ha, ha, ha. So here we have dal together with fatha. So we say dal fatha da, dal fatha da, dal fatha da. So we have da, da, da. Here we have dhal, 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 dhal together with fatha. So we say dhal fatha dha, dhal fatha dha, dhal fatha dha. So we say dha, dha, dha. Here we have ra with fatha. So we say ra fatha ra, ra fatha ra, ra fatha ra. So we say la, la, la. Here we have za together with fatha. So we say za fatha za, za fatha za, za fatha za. So we say za, za, za. Here we have sin together with fatha. So we say sin fatha sa, sin fatha sa, sin fatha sa. So we have sa, sa, sa. Here we have shin together with fatha. So we say shin fatha sha, shin fatha sha, shin fatha sha. So we say sha, 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 sha. Here we have sword, 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 sword together with fatha. So we have sword fatha saw, sword fatha saw, sword fatha saw, sword fatha saw. So we have saw, saw, saw. Here we have dod, 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 dod together with fatha. So we say dod fatha do, dod fatha do, dod fatha do. So we say do, do, do. Here we have o, 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 o together with fatha. So we say o fatha o, o fatha o, o fatha o. So we say o, 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 o. Here we have the, the together with fatha. So we say the fatha the fatha the. Dha fatha dha, dha fatha dha. So we say dha, 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 dha. Here we have ain, 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 ain together with fatha. So we say ain fatha a, ain fatha a, ain fatha a, ain fatha a. So we have a, 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 a. Here we have ghain, 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 ghain together with fatha. So we have gha fatha gha, gha fatha gha, gha fatha gha, 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 gha. Here we have faf, faf together with fatha. So we say faf fatha fa, faf fatha fa, fa fatha fa, fa fatha fa. So we have fa, 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 fa. Here we have qaf, 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 qaf together with fatha. We have qaf fatha qa, qaf fatha qa, qaf fatha qa, 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 qa. So here we have kaf, 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 kaf together with fatha. So we say kaf fatha ka, kaf fatha ka, kaf fatha ka. So we say ka, ka, ka. Here we have lam, lam, lam together with fatha. So we have lam fatha la, lam fatha la, lam fatha la. So we pronounce it as la, 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 la. Here we have mim, 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 mim together with fatha. So we say mim fatha ma, mim fatha ma, mim fatha ma, 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 ma. Here we have nun, 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 nun together with fatha. We say nun fatha na, nun fatha na, nun fatha na, 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 na. Here we have ha, ha, how, 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 how together with fatha. So we say how fatha ha, how fatha ha, how fatha ha, how fatha ha, 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 ha. Here we have wa, wa, wow, 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 wow together with fatha. So we say wow fatha wa, wow fatha wa, wow fatha wa, 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 wa. Here we have ya, ya, ya'u, ya'u, ya, 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 ya fatha ya, ya fatha ya, ya fatha ya, 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 ya. So the next one, we will learn to attach the kestrel, which is the E sound vowel, with the letters. Here we have ba and kestrel. We say ba kestrel B, ba kestrel B, ba kestrel B, 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 B. Here we have ta together with kestrel. So we say ta kestrel T, ta kestrel T, ta kestrel T, ta kestrel T, 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 T. Here we have tha. So we have tha together with kestrel. So we say tha kestrel thi, tha kestrel thi, tha kestrel thi, tha kestrel thi, 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 thi. Here we have jim, jim, jim kestrel G, jim together with kestrel. So we say jim kestrel G, jim kestrel G, jim kestrel G, jim kestrel G, 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 G. Ha, ha. We have ha together with kestrel. So we say ha kestrel he, ha kestrel he, ha kestrel he, Ha kasra he, he. Kha together with kasra, so we say kha kasra khi, kha kasra khi, kha kasra khi. Here we have dal, dal. Dal together with kasra, we say dal kasra di, dal kasra di, dal kasra di, di. Here we have dhal, dhal, dhal. Dhal together with kasra, so we have dha kasra di, dha kasra di, dha kasra di, dha kasra the. Here we have ra, ra, ra together with kasra, so we say ri, ra kasra ri, ra kasra ri, ra kasra ri, zain, za together with kasra, so we have zain kasra zi, za kasra zi, za kasra zi, za kasra zi, z, sin together with kasra, so we say sin kasra si, sin kasra si, sin kasra si, shin together with kasra, so we say shin kasra shi, shin kasra shi, shin kasra she, sod kasra si, sod together with kasra, so we say sod kasra si, sod kasra si, sod kasra si. Dod. We have dod, dod together with kasra, so we say dod kasra di, dod kasra di, dod kasra di, dod kasra di, b. Here we have o together with kasra, so we say o kasra i, o kasra i, o kasra i. Here we have zo together with kasra, so we have zo kasra zi, zo kasra zi, zo kasra zi, zo kasra zi. Here we have ain together with kasra, so we say ain kasra ain kasra ain kasra a. Here we have ghain, together with kasra, so we say gha kasra ghi, gha kasra ghi, gha kasra ghi, gha kasra ghi. Here we have faf together with kasra, so we say faf kasra fi, faf kasra fi, faf kasra fi, faf kasra fi. Here we have qaf together with kasra, so we say qaf kasra qi, qaf kasra qi, qaf kasra qi. Here we have kaf together with kasra, so we say kaf kasra ki, kaf kasra ki, kaf kasra ki. Here we have lam together with kasra, lam kasra li, lam kasra li, lam kasra li, lam kasra li. Here we have mim together with kasra, so we say mim kasra mi, mim kasra mi, mim kasra mi. Nun, we have nun together with kasra, so we say nun kasra ni, nun kasra ni, nun kasra ni, nun kasra ni. Ha. Here we have ha together with kasra, we say ha kasra hi, ha kasra hi, Ha kesra he, ha kesra he, he, he. Here we have wow, wow, together with kesra. So we say wow kesra we, wa kesra we, wa kesra we, wa kesra we, we. Here we have ya, ya, ya together with kesra. So we say ya kesra yi, ya kesra yi, ya kesra yi, yi. The next one is to attach dhamma with the sound u to these letters. So here we have ba, together with dhamma. So we say ba dhamma bu, ba dhamma bu, ba dhamma bu, bu. Here we have ta, together with dhamma. So we say ta dhamma tu, ta dhamma tu, ta dhamma tu, ta dhamma tu, two. Here we have tha, together with dhamma. So we say tha dhamma thu, tha dhamma thu, tha dhamma thu, tha dhamma thu. Here is jim together with dhamma. So we say jim dhamma ju, jim dhamma ju, jim dhamma ju, jim dhamma ju, ju. Here we have ha, together with dhamma. So we say ha dhamma hu, ha dhamma hu, ha dhamma hu, Here we have ha, together with dhamma. So we say ha dhamma hu, ha dhamma hu, ha dhamma hu, Here we have dal together with dhamma. Then we say dal dhamma du, dal dhamma du, dal dhamma du, Here we have dhal, together with dhamma. So we say dhal dhamma du, dhal dhamma du, dhal dhamma du, dhal dhamma du, Here we have ra together with dhamma. So we say ra dhamma du, ra dhamma du, ra dhamma du, ru. Here we have zain, za, together with dhamma. So we say za dhamma zu, za dhamma zu, za dhamma zu, zu. Here we have sin together with dhamma. So we say sin dhamma su, sin dhamma su, sin dhamma su, Here is shin together with dhamma. So we say shin dhamma shu, shin dhamma shu, shin dhamma shu, Here is sword, together with dhamma. So we say sword dhamma su, sword dhamma su, sword dhamma su, sword dhamma su, Here we have dod, together with dhamma. So we say dod dhamma du, dod dhamma du, dod dhamma du, dod dhamma du. Here we have po, together with dhamma. So we say tu, o dhamma tu, o dhamma tu, o dhamma tu, o dhamma tu. Here we have the, dhamma du, together with dhamma. So we say the dhamma du, the dhamma du, the dhamma du, Dha, Dhamma, Dhu, 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 Dhu. Here we have Ain. Ain together with Dhamma. So we have Ain, Dhamma, U, 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 U. Here we have Ra, Rain, Rain, Rain together with Dhamma. So we say Ra, Dhamma, Ru, Ra, Dhamma, Ru, Ra, Dhamma, Ru, Ra, Dhamma, Ru, 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 Ru. Here we have Faf together with Dhamma. So we say Faf, Dhamma, Fu, Faf, Dhamma, Fu, Faf, Dhamma, Fu, Faf, Dhamma, Fu, 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 Fu. Here we have Qaf, Qaf together with Dhamma. So we say Qaf, Dhamma, Qu, Qaf, Dhamma, Qu, Qaf, Dhamma, Qu, 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 Qu. Here we have Kaf together with Dhamma. So we say Kaf, Dhamma, Ku, Kaf, Dhamma, Ku, Kaf, Dhamma, Ku. So we have Ku, Ku, Ku. Here it's Lam together with Dhamma. Lam, Dhamma, Lu, Lam, Dhamma, Lu, Lam, Dhamma, Lu, 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 Lu. Here it's Mim together with Dhamma. So we say Mim, Dhamma, Mu, Mim, Dhamma, Mu, Mim, Dhamma, Mu, 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 Mu. Here it's Nun together with Dhamma. So we have Nun, Dhamma, Nu, Nun, Dhamma, Nu, Nun, Dhamma, Nu, 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 Nu. Here it's How together with Dhamma. So we say Ha, Dhamma, Hu, Ha, Dhamma, Hu, Ha, Dhamma, Hu, Ha, Dhamma, Hu. So we have Hu, Hu, Hu. Here it's Wow together with Dhamma. So we say Wow, Dhamma, Wu, Wow, Dhamma, Wu, Wow, Dhamma, Wu, 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 Wu. Here it's Yao together with Dhamma. So we have Yao, Dhamma, Yu, Yao, Dhamma, Yu, Yao, Dhamma, Yu, You, 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 You. This is the end of the first stage of introduction to Arabic vowels and consonants. Till we meet in the next class, Assalamu alaikum.